This is Aukey Bluetooth wireless receiver model BR-C1, and this is a review copy that I received from Aukey. So this wireless receiver actually helps you connect your phone wirelessly to the car's music system using 3.5mm audio jack. So let's open the box and see what we get inside. So inside we have the wireless receiver itself, which is like matte black in color here, and you also get some accessories inside it. So you also get a 3.5mm male to male audio jack here. Then we get a micro USB charging cable here, and one good thing that they provide is they also provide you 3.5mm jack to left right channel for those systems which you can actually connect directly to the right channel or the left channel. If you want to hide your wires everywhere, you can actually use this connection right behind the audio system, and then there will be no wires hanging outside. Inside you also get a user manual, a warranty card. So you get a 24-month product warranty here. So your product is actually you're covered for 2 years with any manufacturing defect, and in my experience their support has been pretty good so far. So I've been using this. Let's keep this aside. So I've been using this wireless receiver for some time now, and I've been pretty happy with the overall performance. The good thing about this receiver is, like, I've been receiving excellent battery backup. I've been receiving like 20+ hours on one single charge, and it can actually connect to two multiple Bluetooth devices at a time. So we'll see in a minute how we can actually connect and get this working. So I have already charged this device. You see there is a audio out jack here, which is 3.5mm, and then you also have a DC in 5 volts, which is through the micro USB charger. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So as you can see, it is blinking blue and red alternately. That means it is in pairing mode. You can actually connect this device with your phone. So let's get it connected. So your phone will recognize it as Aukey BR-C1 and connect it to the device. So now we are connected, and you can see the light has turned on solid blue here. So what we'll do is we'll connect this with the 3.5mm audio jack here, and then we also have a speaker which we can actually use for testing here. So we have this connected, and let's see how it works. So let me play some sample YouTube video to check out the sound. So as you can see, it is playing through the speakers here, not through the phone. Just to make sure we are using the right device, what I'll do is I'll just keep my phone aside here, okay, and then I'll keep it aside. So this is pretty much connected here, and you can stream your audio through the Bluetooth. So it's pretty simple. Pairing is very easy. You can connect 2 devices, as I said earlier. So I have another device to test it here, and let's get this device also connected with the Bluetooth wireless receiver. So before we do that, we have to go into the pairing mode. So long press the power button, and now it is in pairing mode. As you can see, it is blinking red and blue, and then your phone should be able to detect this in a while. So as you can see, it's showing as Aukey BR-C1 here will connect to this device. It's pairing and it's connected. So you'll get an audio cue when the device is connected. So let's play another. We'll skip the ad and then as you can see, the audio is playing through the Bluetooth and right through the speakers here. Okay, so we have both the devices connected to this Bluetooth now. As you can see, it clearly says Aukey BR-C1 connected, and let's check the other phone, and it also says Aukey BR-C1 connected. So we have both the devices connected to the Bluetooth device here, receiver here, but the way it works is it can receive audio from one source at a time. So which is good actually. If you have multiple people, they can actually connect two devices to one Bluetooth receiver here, and then they can play music from one and receive call from another device. So just to check it out, what we'll do is we'll play the sample audio here, and this is being played through the audio one, phone one here. And then let's go to the second device here and then open the YouTube app and we'll play here. So both the devices are connected to one single wireless receiver here, and then we are able to stream both the audios. So this is pretty good. Like it's really helpful if you're driving, if you're on road trip, you can actually use two devices, one to make call, another one to play music and throughout. So in my experience, I have been receiving pretty good battery life with this device. I've been getting like 20 plus hours on a single charge, which is pretty good. I don't see that being a problem. And you can actually connect this to your car charger and let it charge. It charges up pretty quickly. And the audio quality has been pretty good. It has one mic though, so I don't see any other mic to cancel out the noise. But I haven't received any issues making call through this device. So, and people have been able to hear me quite clearly. There has been no background noise, or so the voice, I think somehow it is making the voice clear and the background noise are kind of suppressed. Even the road noises are not that much. So this pretty much wraps up the review and unboxing of Aukey BR-C1. I would recommend you use this if your car doesn't have a Bluetooth receiver. So this device gives you flexibility to connect two devices at a time, and gives you freedom to use your phone hands-free and also stream music. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.